Xi'an Brictec Engineering Company Limited was founded in 2011, mainly engaged in 1. Design and technical consulting of auto bricks making factory. 2. R&D and manufacturing of brick making equipment as box feeder, crusher, double shaft mixer, extrusion mixer, double stage vacuum extruder, brick cutting system, brick setting machine, robot setting machine, brick packing machine, brick dryer, tunnel kiln, modular tunnel kiln, natural gas burner, pulverized coal burner, and other products related with brick making. 3. Construction and engineering services of brick dryer and kiln. The company employs senior Italian engineers regarding drying and firing, and unified domestic experts in the field of craftsmanship and thermal engineering to forge a first-class professional team to provide customers with a variety of customized solutions. The company's products are exported to more than 30 countries around the world. Over 40 turnkey projects have been established in Bangladesh, Vietnam, India, and other countries. In addition, the company has set up local office and after-sales service centers with cooperator in the Bangladesh, India, Vietnam, Uzbekistan, Zimbabwe, and other countries. The company adhered to the corporate culture and spirit of struggle-oriented, customer-centered to serve domestic and foreign customers with customized solutions. In April 2018, Xi'an Brictec Engineering Company Limited and Shandong Mine Machinery Cosmec Construction Materials Machinery Company Limited unified cooperation and management, providing users with overall solutions. We provide you a turnkey solution for auto bricks making.
Brictec Engineering Auto Bricks Making Solution.
Welcome to Brictec.